Hi guys, if you use OpenBSD on a laptop, you will need proprietary drivers for something such as your graphics card or Wi-Fi card. Unfortunately, on most laptops, it is impossible to download it using the Ethernet. So, first of all, let's download all the firmware files from firmware.openbsd.org/firmware/ your OpenBSD version. Download all the file and put them in a folder. Drag and drop all the file to a root of a USB stick. Now we are ready to put the USB stick on in our OpenBSD system. As I showed you before, sysctl hw.disk names to show all the hard disks. Insert the USB stick. Another time, sysctl hw.disk names. Let's mount our USB stick to MNT. Let's go to MNT ls. Now you can see that all our files, all our driver files are here. Now to load them onto the system, fw_update path MNT, because we mounted the USB stick on MNT, and click enter. Now the drivers has been installed on our system, and the Wi-Fi card and graphics card will work at the next update. Change directory to the root one. You mount the MNT. Let's take our USB stick out and reboot the system. At the next reboot, all the devices that required proprietary firmware will work without problems. See you later, guys.